Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to delete all Instagram messages at once. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. After that, let's check our direct messages option and you can see there is no option available to delete all of your text at once. So now simply go to your profile icon by tapping on your profile on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three dashboard available in the top right corner and scroll down till you find the option Account Types and Tools. So scroll down till you find the Account Types and Tools and tap on it. So after you tap on it, make sure you switch to the professional account and continue with the process. So here you can choose any of these. It does not matter. So I'm just choosing grocery store and continue with the process again. So after that, tap on the creator icon and continue. So now again continue with the process and tap on the X option available in the top right corner. Now you can see that your Instagram is switched to the professional account. Now go to the message option and there you can see the checkbox option available, and here you can select any messages you want to delete and tap on the delete option, and as you can see I've deleted so many messages at once. So you can do that. Now simply tap on that checkbox option available again on the top right corner. So after you tap on it, you will get to choose various options available there in your text and simply delete it at once. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.